Anzisha ushinde. Open and save in your KCB Gold Savings Account for a chance to win many prizes. KCB, for people, for better.
Chamge jitab kalenjin itagating logoiwekab emet chebo Kass TV kiguren Jacqueline Narusi. Katelel sa mungaroshek ak boisionik alak chebo bandab tai eng taonitab Eldoret eng kasarta nebo saishek lo kosubkei ak angeleljinet nekaisuldae neranik cheisuldae mungaret nebo bodaboda eng kit nekamwa kole bune icheket usisiet ak kanyalilet eng eunekab askarikab county nebo Uasin Gishu. Kinyoru report kobun Timothy Kiplimo.
Kaletagei en chepchebindo nemami kiy nekeyonye logoiwek chebo nametab ketindetab pikipikit agenge en kanasetab Eldoret nemwaat kele kotanui kasarta nenwach ngap korebe ine askarikab county pikipikinyi en koskelingutab betutab amut en mwaet kole kobut ng'atutikab oret. Kwen betutab raini kokatelelso tetutik chechang en kanasetab Eldoret kosubkei ak nekayai kampaket neranichoto bo bodaboda en kabarunetab neregek en afisai choto po county.
Lakini sasa sisi kama watu wa bodaboda leo tumekasirika. Tumeamua kwamba kazi itafanyika leo kwa sababu Kajo ametuangamiza sana.
Ni ya uongozi ya county. Mimi nasema ukweli, waziri kama unatusikia, kuja hapa Crown na tutaongea. Sisi hatuna shida na hiyo serikali kuu, tuko na shida na serikali ya county. Kuanzia governor anashika mpaka wanafunzi.
Wenzetu tunatoka nyumbani na pikipiki zetu tukienda shule, wanatushika kwa barabara, wanatunyanyasa, wanatutoa tax na sisi ni wanafunzi, wanataka sisi tuishi aje?
Kamwa ketichoto po pikipikishek kole kikobun usisiet ak kanyalilet en eunekab askarichoto po county, kit nekamach kandoinatetab county kolitit kaimutyonoto en chokchinet.
Kama county improve their skills on profession so that they can end this menace, because sometimes unapata ni walevi wanatosa pesa bila kufuata sheria manane. So tungependa kabisa county hapa mambo inyoroshwe ili tusipate janga kama hizi tena.
Nafanya kazi hapa ya mechanic, nimekaa Eldoret mwaka kadhaa. Lakini hiyo imefanyika imetushtua. Imetuharibia hata kazi hata sisi wenyewe mechanics. Juu sasa kenye ilifanyika jana kutokea kwa watu wa county si vizuri.
Akot kounoto kokaesho serikalitab county nebo Uasin Gishu logoiwek chemwaat kele kokinam keber ak kekoten ketindenoto bo pikipiki, kit nekamwa CEC netonondochin administration en county nitok Joseph Lagat kole tomo kokuyo ichek amune asikeleta logoiwek chemobo iman akobo yautyonoto.
Ile habari ambayo iko nje pale kwamba kuna mwanabodaboda ambaye alichapwa ama aliumizwa ama amekufa, kwamba sio ukweli. Jana kuna mwanabodaboda ambaye pikipiki yake ilichukuliwa na kwa sababu alivunja sheria, lakini yeye hakuchapwa, hakuguswa. Tulimhudumia kwa sababu ni kweli alisirai wakati alikuwa kule town. Tulimhudumia katika hospitali yetu ya county na tukapata kwamba hana majeraha yote.
Kangong Lagat kole tinye serikalitab county ortinwek chenen chekilitite atepto nebo askarichoto, kit nekamach biikab boror kosir logoiyo kasarta age tugul nekabun kanyalilet kobun askarichoto.
Askari wetu wanapoendesha kazi yao hawana ruhusa ya kutumia nguvu kupita kiasi, na tuko na sheria pia ambayo wakifanya jambo ambayo tunaona haikuwa inafaa, tunatumia sheria hizo kuweza kwa discipline.
En komostanyi komwa komanda nebo police en county nebo Uasin Gishu Benjamin Mwanthi kole kakotoi chikilisiet asikenai kit nekotestai akoi kotanui weroto.
Nataka kuhakikishia wananchi kwamba tutaichunguza irrespective of one of our own ambayo ni mwenzetu from the county government alihusika, so tutaichunguza without any bias, tuhakikisha kwamba mwenye aliumia amepata haki.
Kong'eten kanaset nebo Eldoret en county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass TV, kanenyu ko Timothy Kiplimo.
Ketesetai kokanyor kelchin meng'ik cheite 986 chekikiuto eng kasarta nebo chemarget nebo 2007 yekingonyorchigei ikangonyorchigei icheket title deeds chebo imbarenik eng Kisima Njoro eng Nakuru County. Kaindochi koratak po kokoitoetab title deeds Minister nebo imbarenik Alice Wahome nekaritae kapkirwok emwaet kole notok nekoyai koib kasarta nekoi kokoitoetab title deeds chotok. Kinyoru reports kobun Sylvester Rono.
Ngololi en kasarta nekoindochi kokoitoetab kartasisiek chebo namunetab imbarenik anan title deeds koityi biik chesire 900 en komosta nebo Kisima Nakuru. Komwa minister netonondochin tetutik chebo imbarenik Alice Wahome kole wendi kowoloksei sobet nebo bichoton. Ole kawekyi kongoi inendet President Dr. William Ruto en kakwautiet nekoib koker kole kanyor meng'atosiek bichoton kikakiuto en meng'atosiek kwak.
Ninataka nimshukuru rais wetu kwa sababu he put his foot down na akaiteremusha na ile mambo amepatia gavana na Gikaria, na akasema iwe Iwaro, iwe nini, iwe mbaya ama iwe mbaya zaidi, Alice wewe ni lazima na generali mufuatane mutoe title deeds haraka iwezekanavyo.
Karirtaen minister noton kirwogutik chechang en kapkirwok chekiyai koib kasarta nekoi kokoitoetab title deeds choton. Akosong bichoton koboisien komie imbarenik choton asi konyorunen kelchin.
Na mumengojea, poleni sana. Na mimi nafikiria hapa mtu wa kulaumu hata sio serikali, ni sisi wenyewe. Nimeangalia nikahesabu makesi ambaye ilikuwa inatuzuia. Tukifuka hapo ng'ambo hii, kesi tunakuta mbele. Makesi ni zaidi ya 6. Lakini usingoje usaidizi mwingine. Wewe uko na shamba, jipange. Ukishindwa na kujipanga sasa pia wewe I think you are funny. Tukupatie title ate sasa ugoje mpaka tukuje ate kukubeba hala.
Kabaisien kasaraton gavana nebo county nebo Nakuru Susan Kihiga kocher meng'ik chebo county nebo Nakuru koker kole kameng'is en kalyet ole kaitechi kateunet alak en kandoik chebo bolotet chetieme koleta bororiondit en komosaton.
Kama wewe unatoka kwenye unatoka kukuja kufitina watu hapa Nakuru, we don't have space for you. Lakini kama unakuja tu kusalimia watu na uuze sera zako, uko sawa. So our warning to you, no fitina, no ukabila, na hiyo madharau yako uache huko nje ya Nakuru. Usikuje hapa kuleta madharau.
Katinye boiboiyet biik chekanyorchigei title deeds ole kamwa ichek kole kakobun kaimutik en kasarta nekoi kogeni konyor meng'atosiek kwak.
Siku hii ya leo roho zetu zimetulia, ni kwa ajili hivi sasa niko na shamba mkononi ambapo nimeigoja miaka mingi. So nina furaha ambaye haina kifani. Nashindwa hata nielezee haje ni kwa ajili. Nashindwa niongee na style gani ni kwa ajili ya ile furaha niko naye.
Nimekaa kwa muda wa miaka karibu 25 na nikagoja kuanzia 2012 hii shamba. Tangu leo nina furaha kuwa na cheti cha shamba, na mshukuru Mungu na ninamshukuru hata rais wetu.
Nimekuwa squatter siku kwa miaka kama 10. Tumetoka hapo tumegoja hii shamba, tumekuwa na kesi kwa 2012 mpaka leo. Sasa tunashukuru Mungu kwa hii serikali ya President Ruto kwa maana tumesaidika, tumepata title. Tunasema abarikiwe na tunakuwa na furaha mingi sana.
Kongeten county nebo Nakuru, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass. Kainenyun ko Sylvester Rono.
Kagomwa sirindet neo eng State Department nebo TVET eng emoni Esther Muhoria kole bo kamanut somanetab sugulishekab muswoknatet eng bandab tai nebo emoni notok tesetai ak tetutik chebo kanabtaetab somanet nebo muswoknatet asikonyor kakimitet ak kanabtaet asikoib walet eng emet. Kinyoru report ngoindo kobun sirindet Robert Sile.
kongalale ni garta nebo graduation nebo kipsomaninik kibo sukulishekab musoknotet anan vocational training centers cheite 1,100 nekakiyai en kiwanjetab Kiprugut Yuma Stadium en county nebo Kericho. Komwa sirindet neo en sukulishekab musoknotet nebo TVETs en emoni Dr. Esther Muhoria kole boisietab eunek kotoche toek anan investors cheteche bandab tai nebo emet.
Investors do not move. Listen to this. Investors do not move where there is only land and buildings. They move where there is a skilled workforce. Industries invest where competencies exist. Skills attract investment. Skills create jobs and skills build nations. Those investors who are going to come to this Kenya, because now we will have created those pools of competencies, are the people who are going to come and grow this country. Are we together?
Kosubkei ak Muhoria kotesetai serikali ak ibunetab ng'atutik anan policies chekanabta boisietab eunek ko oretab komut emoni akoi fast wall noton makat boisietab kibagenge.
Nations that prosper are those that invest in practical skills, and Kenya is now firmly on that path. Listen to this. Kenya is on the path to growth. The president is calling it the way to where? Singapore. We are not going to go anywhere near that Singapore without the skills, without what you are doing here, Governor. Ask them, ask that Singapore, ask the other tigers. They grew because they have pools and pools of skilled young people.
Kamwa gavana nebo Kericho Dr. Eric Mutai kole tesetai ak tetutik cheu choton ko oretab koib walet en county nebo Kericho ak en emoni. Ng'alalet nekarobeun gavana nebo Uasin Gishu Jonathan P. Chelilim ak membetab kone ng'ati ng'atutik nebo Belgut Nelson Koech Songo en mwaet kole makat kikimit kanapta somanetab boisietab eunek.
It is doable. We are committed as a county to continue with this program. This year we are inviting applications. Na nataka wazazi wanisikie mzuri kwa Kericho. This year we are inviting applications. Our target for this year is 6,000. So next year at a time like this, our commitment by God's grace is that we are going to graduate another 6,000 to Breeze and Chesang.
The president has emphasized that skills must drive growth, create jobs, and equip young people to innovate, lead, and build wealth. Across Kenya, enrollment in TVET institutions has grown from under 300,000 learners to a few years ago to over 700,000 today, with a target of 1 million learners in the near future. This growth is proof that our youth are embracing skills as power, competence, and opportunity, and practical training as the gateway to prosperity.
Because we want to be able to empower the young people with skills and knowledge to be able to be self-employed. Finally, and very importantly, number 2, soon, juzi kulikuwa na rollout ya Nyota program hapa. Najua wengine wenu kwa sababu bado mnasoma, amuku enroll. I really want to encourage you on the second phase of the Nyota program, that you register so that you get capital, you start businesses.
Kamwa Mutai kole bo kamanut boisietab kibagenge en serikalishekab counties ak national government asikosulda boisionik.
We have a situation sometimes where we run into headways with the other level of government. And you have some PSS who are mannerless, who wakes up in the morning, they storm a county, they do whatever they want, they don't ask the county government. For example, if you are building a stall or a market, it is very important to ask the governor, where is the ideal space for us to build this? Because the governor who knows that if you have to do this here and here, you are able to get the ready customers there. But when you just wake up in the morning, you do your own things, you end up not assisting the president to Mr. Jeddah.
En karatan konyor kelchin kipsomaninik chekiyai komie en kosisiek cheterter nebo konyor konunotoik cheboto toolkits kotoret icheket kotai boisionik chekisomanji icheket. Aripotini logoiwekab emet chebo Kass kong'eten county nebo Kericho, kainenyun ko Robert Siele.
Tesetai operation nebo nametab chemung'arainik ak biik che rieche mayek chemachomdotin eng Narok Central Sub-County ole kakiit kapkirwok biik chechang che ko boisie anan che koyoe mung'aranoto kole kakitechi meng'ikab komasata kole chi age tugul nekakinyor kosuldae mung'aranoto keipchini kakwautik chekimen.
Washikadau Narok Central Sub-County katika hii mambo ya kuondoa hii changa la pombe haramu. Tumepiga hatua kubwa sana. Nasema kwamba tunapambana katika kuhakikisha kwamba ile masharti rais wetu aliweka kupambana na kuangalia kwamba hii changa imewekwa kando. Tumepambana kufika wakati huu sasa. Tunaweza sema kwamba kufika jana, kwa sababu nilipeana report jana tarehe 29 katika labda ripoti ya mwezi, tulikuwa tumeharibu changa zaidi ya lita 200. Kanga tulikuwa tumeharibu zaidi ya lita 1200. Alafu katika ile upande wa mihadarati ambao tunaiona kwamba kuna maneno ya bangi katika eneo hizi.
Kaindoji Cabinet Secretary nebo ripsetab kalyet eng emet orit Kipchumba Murkomen lumdaetab tekset nebo Wakili Towers nenoto kowendi kokot newendi koboisie kirwogik chebo emoni. Kamite eng ikoratak Cabinet Secretary nebo ripsetab kalyet Kipchumba Murkomen eng kibagenge ak okilik cheterter.
I want to conclude by saying that those of us who serve in government are very proud of Law Society of Kenya. And I'm saying this because we must have people who hold the government into account. There must be people who raise serious issues of governance. And when I see young lawyers, some my students, some even younger, raising serious human rights, democracy, governance issues, touching on the current administration, including my office, and my office is always, most targeted by Law Society of Kenya, by Amnesty International, by all this. Please just know that I don't take any offense. I would have done exactly the same. It takes a balanced criticism of government for government to do better. And if you don't do so, there is no way we are going to improve. And there are so many things that have improved in government, legislation-wise, governance-wise, that have really helped us to be better leaders in government. But also, I want to challenge you. Don't also make Law Society of Kenya to look like it is an NGO. It is not. As much as the Law Society of Kenya serve the purpose of holding the government into account, it also has a legal responsibility in the act itself to advise government. And so when the opportunity comes, when you raise issues of governance, democracy, police brutality, all these issues, and we ask you to come and help in those spaces, don't run away, Faith. Yeah? Don't run away, because, I saw you speak very passionately about people who spread rumors and innuendos and all other things, because they do not know what's going on. I also want you to come to our spaces and advise us.
Kainoji President William Ruto kamangunetab kipsomaninik eng sukulitab Uzima University olega mwa President kole tesetai ak tetutik chebo kakimitetab sukulishekab barak eng emoni, koretab koker kole kaimuch konyor emoni ngamutik cheimuch kobois eng emetab Kenya ak ematunwekab sang.
Uzima's global partnerships are fast becoming a launchpad for excellence. The Uzima Global Campus now serves as a working bridge between the Global North and the Global South, bringing world-class expertise directly to Kenya, and particularly to Kisumu. Today, we are honored by visiting medical trainers from leading institutions such as Johns Hopkins University, Harvard University, and the University of Oxford, who have delivered hands-on clinical training, transferring not only knowledge, but also the latest life-saving skills in modern healthcare. Through international exchange programs, students and faculty are strengthening healthcare capacity and professional excellence. Specialist collaborations are expanding neurosurgical care and demonstrating the power of diaspora expertise, working hand in hand with local talent.
Chitap Kalenjin kotage ngalale kotinge ak ngalekab somanet ko ing betutab rani eng studio kemite ak Sakeli Cheruiyot inendet ko mentor ako career advocate ko eng betutab rani ama kitau kipindi tabarnutik nebo nenet setai ketime kora keker kele kakimuch kecher kipsomaninik chotok koiwang tiemutik chotok chebo KCSE ak kipsomaninik kora chekikowang eng kasarta nekoi akotoma konai kole tos ne netakchingei eng ngalekab somanet ko notok ko eng betutab rani ko skolengutab rani kemite ak Kelly Cheruiyot, karibu sana studio.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. So, angenale mecho kona ibi kole ngo ibunwano asigetestai.
Okay, thank you, Asante. I wish you to Cast TV for this opportunity. Nagagipwan niyo noye age discussing about channel about careers. So, our youths, my name is Sakeli Cheruiyot. I'm the CEO and the founder of the Sakeli Foundation. Yeah, kwetu nyumbani ko Kericho. County, Boret sub-county, specifically Chemos Odward. Yeah.
Sawa sawa. So inge nile biche jangu tebege gole amune sigo tagumite that need neba ke mentorship in vijana as much as there's a lot of information access on the internet kigoger like initially than before. Amune sitagumite that need neba ke gergele akimuch ke mentorship age mentoring vijana in different fields.
Akil wara penzen Sakeli Foundation ko gini kibarchine kabisa ko minimize wastage. Ko rata nagisten wastage lo ke osir and then ngomato ko testai ulo komakto en sobenywan en ngalekab careers. So we really as much as possible ki mengen shogele ko kiter na se ki kanyor lochu ka mentorship na kararan so ko bit ko selectan courses appropriately. Kani maile ngalekab information ko these days ko Komisawa, but again, what happens? Mujong mitela kwena parchinga konjoro A plane, konjoro B plus, and A minus of 74, for example. Au megwa medicine. So that kid korgo ko imega amun, mat konjoro opportunity why cause it never his dreams. And then at the same time, konjoro munana ke one as Sakeli Foundation ke net ke now. Munga matenyor ko ni ko te arata roots chimucho ko nam at low level tatong ko achieve the dream na nyina no udaktari.
So much ko tebege jita gole kinyor chano this passion ne baigerile ketaret lagok chebunu gorik chemaimujige au at the same time gora ko ge ko guidance in terms of careers, in terms of opportunities chipitunatin.
Ana mwalimu, maybe I should have said that at the beginning.
Yes.
Mwalimu kione sente ngeja boys high school and ngeja girls. So because ana mwalimu ko kita gerole mite law kiseretos with the families chima muchege go the fees throughout. Like ngi stabilize la jato ko bure school ko ita ko sir. Again ko mite ngara agencies si chang na jembe this country. To no support for these kids. Then we realize regile amun go to maginda finen ko loju ko ka desaben ko nyoro scholarship ko nyoro mun competitive the environment of scholarships. Ko itam ko miten enda ginyoru bi ke mutulak ko private schools, mure klase men ko yegonyo public school. Ko loja mun scholarships lo ko bigina lo ke miten public schools. Ago matokul jibindi ko yasas menen en ngori kwa.
Unota.
Muji kito nyor lakwet max miten barage ko kage ke bashing basis la mi public school o max ko nyoru 38 for example den the case number 844. Ko lakwan ngana no gilegen no miten a local primary school ago nyoru 330. Ko keger gele mege nama gibar early intervention. So ginama ge traga loju kinge gele lakwet ngom flane. Amungi na ko miten teacher block ke bright. So kinyorwa case mara the sister was did class 8 moto ko president. Kinyorwa rate brada ko not in the style school. Ako go stop go burenga ko ro ko number 1. Lagin ko manyorwa max jota changi makinge so scholarship. So ge gibar early intervention age ngalolji sike assurance ngelen bele iko sawa. Age mo gitigelenji you inyoru this max ko satel inyoru scholarship. Ko na me ko gilege. Many cases ko inyoru ko msasa ne discourage la kwet. Amu ko agre la kwani ko ko sir ko gurchi a national school ko ga goratio naibu amu marasha amu chalawan. Ko na bo discourage na ko prepare la kwet ulinji inyementi the local day school. Ko ga ngel la kwet ko na bo discouraged ko na bo ko hat. Some cases ko neighbors chero origin gulejin on day number 1 ko
Matumaini fees.
Yeah. Yeah. So cases you just unaona what we do ke early intervention like in your our case in the ta kula kweni gunotani ya wise within class 1. Kipa ke wegu ake accelerate you someone 4 years in primary school. You accelerate them in 4 years ko ako ya class either mun gigere what ko it ko tum ko kunyo di another room ke pa jitupcha. Right now kengalwale we medicine in Kenyatta University 60.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. I will give you primary for 4 years.
4 years. So class 3 I got walda 4 ko 5 ako 6 ako 7 ko class 8. Yeah.
Ako performance
ke Gurchi High School. He was the best, the most improved in the whole country. That student. When you minus 80 points, ke Gurchi ke medicine.
So much kutebeke chita gule INS ya mucha probably mite apparent ne tindala go che very bright but me muji ko someshan la go chochoto. Ko how can they access you? And another thing, onyorunda no la go jugule ona ene gule la kwet ne ba kaflani ko very bright but we move the parents. So OIC within Kericho County and now it's cut across the country.
The majority akelolo kyanam to kyanam in my ward. The person quad. Kyanam or the boy no ganga lord in Gubun Tebsoni. So in an ameniato, one am go spring and a block kitchen about the same locality. The person primary 3 primary Kapishara, Kochanga Lock Yanavale, with assistance. Kwagdo unaonda kupitu referrals mucho kutoka relative ni midalo ndiani lin kwa mmoja kudeni au na jina tara tubigo hizo kage brusi mot kede mila kwa nigi lega go nako magtoret kuma tasata ko ngi mona ne ko la mo tai tiota ga mega assessment out cases you look go ni agencies ku KCB Equity Kenyatta Trust all these agencies that you scholarship when they pick the case in the middle recycle foundation ko accurate assessment of their family story yeah mami tin jigele ne gele wara nyega nam la kwet or warge chigil gi gere amu chege bikene ne log ne ak ementaran ak encouraging ko mang wara ge begin for scholarship ke eliminated issues che deplete their esteem yeah by staying with them again mo making sure ne gele kana golle mimi ne musa swake yeah hotong bendi academic day high for ndi aiko ko ga gula ko turji bangana girls no gurji Kenya High School no for a boy mangu school ko wasasi juga anjo sere dos ngana ga la scholarship ko we ko megan that man every day so what we do logic to Sakele Foundation ke assign responsibility of mentorship we don't go mbali ki pigandi logic to wara na muna jambi the universities ke leni inye ne school be so and so
okay
so we responsibility na nyina so we cut cost aga mga jogar ke go comfort la ko ni ngana kule kanyor kita ni buitos ke gora ni ngala ngala so manet ko buyo ke abo share information che mucho or there is a challenge. Yeah.
So ngele mite apparently probably able go somation la kwet lakini la kwani kumeje mentorship in terms of career guidance amunga pomi la kwani especially for average students average students kumara mengen la kwet kole mwa intosa igune mwa intosa somanene tos authority gora in terms of mentoring such students.
Yeah, we do that. We do kitchen Sakele Foundation kibara Sakele Foundation career desk ko career desk ke tor dingala application of courses ke tor digara geng role la kwet ko mai la kwet a course ne gire le moiti ke tor ti tangana ko your options ci kora by the end of the day ko tor tok nango magile la kwet na average ne again o lo nyuru airplane those are the most difficult to handle because tinda a specific focus ko sa singin ko dam sa focus ne ter and in many cases como sa mai la kwet medicine yeah como mai la kwet medicine chama medicine ko specific como mai ne medicine how from the word go ko mi din ko sir la kwet ke ndo si kini bo to le woni daktari atat ko mai la kwet so ge bona ni ngono singin la kwet ro ngene sa zero agi ngalo ta go ki and in most cases ke ben side number one of yeah mag go mission la kwet ko kini mai sa because especially medicine ko magi las mission jita like man it's a calling and it's something no manyolo kwa chita as an afterthought yeah
okay mite mzazi ne gure Dorcas kale please te bunena Sakele gole at what stage do you start supporting the child hadi sanya anafanya exams or you start from way back and how can we reach you out
torke share ni our contact information so nambige especially na through the website kitinyo tungona registration form na wana funzi janga ko parent interest ko chene kitinyo registration form capturing all the information about kwet kainet sindet le menye sukuli na miten stage na miten en somanet career aspiration, all those levels. So ngunon kipeni track again agele lakwani kumit sukul tano au magole age correspondence through our WhatsApp group, through Facebook, through our other social media handles. But mostly neko kwa kwenda mekitoret kuna mungibir wasimoide mesimoite naga address the issue age all the way lakwana tatungonyor kina mache, be it scholarship, be it career guidance, all those things we handle. Yeah.
Okay, another challenge kojam ingenile most parents, especially those jitunda lago yani jabunu gorik chima imujige ko mengen agoba these foundations and scholarships tiki goito in such people jabunu such backgrounds. So as intended because it in that passion iterate pictos kio temgora ogerole kona stage these parents konai ko gachi support because kora for you to access these scholarships ko magati tinye internet and an ECI physical application. So all those things, those owaitayano ago ogaidenda yano parents go gerwara gole kaimuch konyor those opportunities.
Actually, what we normally have mentorship moments in April, in August, and even sometimes also when we have cases of people like Manda Vitanin, share celebration. Those are the moments that we share our contacts. Those are the moments that we tell them what we do. So konget konyor be access to information. Chita never nani gile kumache konyor matun gile mami internet mami ne. Nani nyoru log kipuna kapsa family chini lakini they really work hard. Tagan this information. Me kora encourage parents kora to go extra mile. So access information je mucho kutoret. Gonyo digital into our focus. Get the gap again mengajoge log all the full sufficient information. Miten for example log chukasir. Na jamona kiti jote chukasir nyor airplane. Kumi opportunity se miten pitani. Your lodge scholarship. It is a very rigorous process. Ninyoli na kosege tegan time ake kaiden lodge. Magigere kityo nguna lakwe nuno magigere academic excellence nege. Kigere tu keu leadership. Kigere tu keu willingness to participate in the social work in the community. Kigere kora the role nege lakwe ngumiten school ngumiten ga. Ayange magele ko serete lakwe kon I demonstrated na ile serete gisereti nyol komiten evidence kele yotarate maybe in primary in high school kunyalu kero koten du jona au tu ke lawara lo kyo ngome na ko mai ko manda bitanin katam ke kaiden gile ni whatever you do in community impact you like documented yeah ko to leadership ko ni chenganisa ko marat mi coaching na lo kala ko documented inasaidia sana.
So imuch kotebege jita gole inyoru nano this passion because it's a lot of work ago mara gap komi maybe in the cohort nege target applying these scholarships komara miteje manyoru that opportunity I ralenda yano bi ko target ko gaji this support because angenale it's not magine race
ngala support ngune na to man yade tege nya huge cap muno tengala ka finances ngala kit kitene miten ngunane ko personnel I mean the human resource ketinya logic gi sirto wol gi miten under Sakele Foundation ko most of them they come back ko support out in the ngunane the board never Sakele Foundation ko 80% ko wanafunzi.
Wow.
Yeah. Miten kuzichama mwache bet masa miten Kemo University of Medicine as a board member. Alan Ocheng miten kotaren Masinde Muliro was the president of the school. Even Jebet Masa was the president of Kemo. He's a board member. Diana go 50 years civil engineering and took is a board member of the foundation. These are very young people. Yeah. And then of course kitinye walimu watatu. And then of akumzazi. The Aichana was Sakele driven by the people who really have received benefited from this program. I would check it with those where we started from. So magid na wiki lenguna make it already. Yeah.
So ngele amije ajoinin because angenale this is like something like giving back to society.
Yes.
So ngele meet a parent anjitani interested in terms of kugergolega supporting these needy children very bright. Ko joni na no this group ne wangi.
Miten gunon turke share ni kora how they.
No, you can just share.
Okay. I have shared nini. Miten web about the Sakele Foundation. Of course.
But is it possible to join in anyone, any
Yes,
willing?
yes. In fact, even all these things that we assist these students, they don't need to come to us. We do everything 100% virtually. It's a virtual assistance.
Okay.
That's why we're able to reach out to students who are in Mombasa. Like in America, like have application of courses. But students from all over the country reach out to us. We have students in Moyale, like Jabiru is going to Amherst University in the US through a scholarship. Come wanafunzi nigi genoye au authority ever. Agotom get 2 years, get all these things virtually. Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Evans Negamagole, please ask Sir Kelly, what support system should communities and institutions create to guide young people better? Because we've seen so many students coming from needy backgrounds, and we have leaders. What are some of the advices you can give to the government and also our leaders so that we can reduce the number of kids that do not get support?
They need to keep space and priority to education. Magali ki sabote lagok. Agere program chiran and leaders go very expensive. They spend millions and millions of money. Then talking it rabeni ke ba age tore law chu sere to koi to not cost much. Lakini ni very again in many cases ko priorities ne ko mamina must have some money especially from our region. Lakini of course me leaders che hoten sakele foundation che tore to law. Oh yeah, there are I wouldn't say their names, but they are there. Around 3 people who have many kids supporting through us, available fees. Then we check managing. So what they do, they pay fees direct to the respective schools. So usually region out to that manner that you adopt a child program where those kids who are very bright give us school faster. Second our school is very expensive, these national schools. So now go push a top level, not top 10. And school can present the report forms to people willing to support. Fees. I have many cases of ladies and men who are really serious and they are supporting these kids. Even those who are joining G10 the other day, I've received a lot of men support from leaders from Kericho who are very keen about education. But now the mainstream leadership, that's what you think about it. They need to do more through even policy. If, for example, we go our county, Kagichaba Kitty, Niki Banjin school visitor.
Yes.
I can petition to the county assembly. So every year, every sub count when you specific number of students or even what specific number of students support in Nagil Banjin fees. Takotara. Dagilin not Kaki pick and Nagila pick and maybe or the Grisha County 2 boys, 2 girls, Koba top tier universities in the world. It's not so much to ask. Peter issues like statements. Me looking about people not need 2 cases to lock admission to universities. She done the statements in your local backend, the support. One student gave a sad doc, never Pumuga Bianga Jebit. Coco your scholarship for $30,000. Kunyalo want the difference. How to pay the difference, not to demonstrate and do a statement, do not have each other. You can imagine if he doesn't get that the difference, which is less than the scholarship he's got, he's going to lose the scholarship.
So in that scenario, what happens?
In that scenario, I'm going to arrangement where there is a common pool of resources. Statement of law. Again, assessment which goes with which university. Then when you can spend the resources in when you to keep making sense.
Okay, mite jita negative kule how ngot komite jita nemeje like mentorship act started in big chotak cheme mujige kutauniano.
Kutumia kutarete?
Jita ne meje tarete, for example, a parent ne tinda bright student lakini
from
what age?
From what level? You thought that exercise to meet in formative stages of guide schooling. You thought that was a music, Kaiden, who scholarships, on merit. Yeah. Kumuna Jamie Marga at University, was undergraduate scholarship minimal. But you see, the government is also doing a lot in terms of help loan. So kindergarten on that stage, because the manager get an application of help loan, Fizuri. Because in some cases, they mess up with the application. Then by the end of the day, they don't get the sufficient fee that is they're supposed to get.
Okay. So Kirinchenda, I know this foundation, those who want to join and support, picture major like information about it.
www.sakelifoundation.org is our web address. Yeah, once you are in there, you even now get the phone numbers, or you can send me WhatsApp.
Number because
Or WhatsApp message.
WhatsApp,
In
yes.
fact, me, I always tell people, reach me through WhatsApp. When you just drop a message in WhatsApp, introducing it sufficiently. Don't say hi. Just write everything, your name, I'm so and so, and I need to do this and this. Once I pick that, I'll take up your story, and then I go on guidance on how we can in 0722 951 586.
0722
951 586. Because we can change on the law, we can just rate those and we can authority because I'm engineer, I think I'm in credit. Reverse call. Yeah.
Wow.
So you reverse call me, or you drop. If you have a smartphone, you can drop a message on WhatsApp. That way, your issues will be handled. We've been able to handle all the cases that come to us. Every situation has an answer. People should know that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mite Miriam, Kale Miriam, are there any success stories? And I know through education, one can be able to change an entire community. What are some of the success stories in unaweza tuambia? Otherwise, congratulations, Sakeli, you're doing an amazing job.
Yeah, we are proud of what we've done. We're proud of what we've done. We've done. Come on, Wilbon is graduating this year, God willing, in June. That's our first case of, and I'm happy at least our first case give away medicine. Yeah, but that's an ultimate call for every parent. I agree log changing between universities locally and abroad. 2 weeks ago, I was coming to, I actually came to escorting my child who was going to Pretoria University to do civil engineering. A young girl, 17 years old. Yeah, she got a scholarship, MasterCard.
Wow.
Yeah, and she was a scholar of Elimo. So we've been able to make sure that we gave her an opportunity for her to maximize her potential. She had an A- from Oletivis Girls. Then she admitted to Masini Muliro University for civil engineering, but now she has stopped the program in Masini Muliro to join Pretoria University. And she's already settled in Pretoria doing civil engineering. We have a case of Engineer Kimtai, who is in France. Engineer Kimtai got a scholarship to go study masters in, he did electrical engineering there in Kimathi, got a first class. So he's got a scholarship to do masters. He's done 2 master's degrees through the scholarship, and he's been given another scholarship to study PhD. And he's going to finish next year. Yeah, next year, end of this year. Yeah. We have Betwell who finished in graduate school the other day. He's in Western Carolina University. He joined in December. Yeah. We have Alan in Northeastern University in the US again. He joined last year again. A very prestigious scholarship. Yeah.
So the reactions of parents after kako much nguni ko get the mwangaza these parents because they are from backgrounds.
Yeah, it is exciting, and you see, not even parents, even wanafunzi, because you see, we have a very excited group of students who are really, like now, the stories of Rosa, the stories of Betwell, the stories of Alan, is really excited. We were there a day, Little Boys High School, we had 6 students who got airplane. They are reaching out to me and saying, we want to do a similar thing with Alan, with Betwell, and we are now guiding them. So we have students who are in second year. One case in Point is called Chemwell, who is now, we appointed in Sakeli for it to be our diaspora consultant, diaspora universities consultant, and Stallone and Jabir. So those are the ones who understood application process of various universities in the north, especially the top universities. So they assist, and they assist them get to understand how to do essays. So what we do, we guide them through the process. We look at their essays before they are submitted, so that to make sure that whatever they send out, at least it gets a favorable outcome.
Aya, now meet these students maybe who waluteka KCSE agoma performance gomie, but they have skills. Ne advice as now jitaniki dile na ngalenga education, ngalenga mentorship. What are some of the messages and an encouragement to such students?
Yeah, like I work closely with Bureti TTI in the Bureti National TTI, Belgut TTI, and many other TTIs in our region. So I always encourage these students that if you don't get a sufficient grade to go to university, or even if you get a grade that is taken to university and you're not getting a good course, so I always advise them to, like now you get a student who got a B-, and he wanted to do electrical engineering. So always guide them, just come back, go to TTI, do electrical engineering diploma. Yeah. And then from there you can finish this and then you can upgrade later when you'll be earning money, and then you can also do your degree course later. Yeah, so we have those partnerships with various schools, and we usually invite them so that they come and offer talks to the students. I also when I go to school, we don't preach high grades only. We just tell them also that we've got to be realistic, that not everyone will score a grade A. Those who will score these other grades, there are opportunities for you, and even much more better opportunities than those who have got the higher grades.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mite Masi Chemngeno gale very nice job, Sakeli gale. Please talk to our parents who also give us pressure. Sometimes it is not what they think.
Yeah. I get a lot of that in many cases. I always tell parents, don't give your student pressure. Especially when you have cases where students are not gifted academically, but they are gifted in other things. Maybe leadership, maybe in sports, maybe in enterprise.
Yes.
Yeah, there are students who are very good. They do business, they make money when they're still very young. So this needs to be nurtured. Yeah, and luckily for us in Sakeli Foundation, we really identify those immediately. Especially when you get a student who is gifted in sports and also fairly gifted in academics. We have scholarships abroad for those students who are very good athletes. So we have partnership with Koske in Kapsabet. Yes, he runs a camp that trains potential athletes and who are also done well, C+ and above. We have Kemei in Lemodit Athletics Camp, and already there's a student we rescued in Turkana, Naomi in Nawar. And the girl is possibly going to Olympics. The next or youth championship this year. Yeah.
Okay, Anthony Gale, what message will you like to leave with young person who feels stuck or hopeless right now?
Never give up. In Sakeli Foundation, we say never say die. Yeah, it's the story of Oliver Twist, who walked from the village in England going to London, and he never said die. So then, in fact, hopelessness is a thing that we totally discourage in the Sakeli Foundation, because there are opportunities for everyone in this world. We just need to seperti are thinking, amat ko fixated, amat ko kas ngala bigalak. No sasing this hopelessness from being reminded of being a failure, especially from maybe for a case of a student who he has siblings who have done very well, and then maybe there is one particular one who didn't perform very well. Kugi go konget pigo konde a lot of premium academic excellence as opposed to other things. And again, those students who have done extremely very well, we king ke lecha to problem amun nyolo gi ko chen kin ke bare life skills. Yeah, so mat ko tege mena ngutiole grade na kanyor ko kete sapenywa. Yeah, wow. It a point in life ne you are grade ko stopen ko toretin ko nam ko kiken into gala your life skills. Yeah, how do you socially associate with people? How do you build networks that can help you to now maximize on your grade? So you can find sometimes in your students chekanget ko closed because of this deception that their grade is everything they have in life.
Okay, so as we wind up, tosnene tosimwaji big up kutit kotinge bashit na togwe Gustav Kili Foundation agora enguzazi ne mara wechenin sai ago labda tomo go decide na la kwenye bole what next after this.
Yeah, because ka sharing my contact, amaje bi ketendo situation gune. Gomong result sipa KCSE terade, kunguna net ko genama guktinye exhibition ko coups terade in KICC. Gonyo go showcase and very many universities the opportunities to meet in their universities. Coups are going to guide the students on what they need to do, what they need to know now, what they need to have, preparations for application for courses. Magiging wasasi start now preparing for those documentation that are required. Kumila kwet nitendo issues kung ngolo dung kapla na help ko kunyol ko cheng tu chan dugul chan yol katachen kaman boto sa mas kunyol ngona ko nang ko cheng over death certificates aktu gul sigaron nango many cases tamo geren gi help loan kana ngeti law amon ka kai difficult ka simple those information because of the stringent time ko ito tu ke ma ta chen tul kunyol issues. So maybe the most important reach out to me through all those communication.
Which get the number?
0722 is my WhatsApp, my direct call number. 0722 951 586.
It's Friday. Chamke promote any talent agora. Ingen ile majitukul sinyen kutinda strength in terms of education.
Yes.
So when it comes to talent, nene tosimwaje those youths that are very talented. Ago amoge geger koragile. Right now at Korago, it's one of.
Yeah, we encourage talent. Even in Sakele Foundation, we're now engaging a picture. Very good designers. We got a very good designer and designer too. We like it. Those who are good in music, those who are good in poetry. And Sakele Foundation get yela poet. We very cheap. We meet the girls. Agile through a scholarship nebo and a money ngeno MP nebo degree.
Joanna Ngere.
Yeah, Joanna Ngere. So that girl emerged very talented, and we assisted to communicate our story. She's she's a very good poet. So we call her the Sakele Foundation poet, and many others. Me Denje, which are very good in sports. So we encourage them and we guide them to make sure that they don't, because sport is actually lifeline. When you see right now in Dunia, we can earn a lot of money. We can be in the world of sports and the world of drama and theater arts.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So Kongo missing Sakele abo Brian ngai goneji nyo student betu tabrani unless itinye kine ba mwisho nimechi mwaje pick up kuti.
Aleni to pick up kuti donge torat ketogul, torat lachu. Kimeche ke nama a support network ndemuche ke overcome challenges to nyoru ngalekab somanet. We kini Kongo bichando ul jangi ke torat ke most of them go wale muje high school, wale muje primary school, chigona na alert school mi the lock ke torat. Pastors, many churches, so many check they've been giving us information about the law. Political leaders in Kericho County, let's come together. I get a change. You remember Tom Mboya, former minister in this country, independence minister, who began in Nyanza, American airlift. The story of Nyanza has never changed because of that.
Yes.
Or rather, it changed, and it is really still flourishing to the point of producing the President of the United States through education.
Yeah.
This education is very key. How kuna go genyor law kemengu nas kemanda manda pitani, au ganga manda law pitani ni encourage na kijaga korge langa o mande kuma tuburi na obe guna bosisi ya. Let's engage, let's share information. I'm happy in is one guy in the Australia Presido. They authority go to be over Kuwait, over Canada, go through information genyor. No get share ngona la tokol. So bit get authority. Biten mama ngole the post for get share and getting a baby lama the Sakele Foundation. Down very lama authority lakwet. We can drop a coin or two. So go authority movement about our agents just would really appreciate. Yeah.
So business number go 522 account number go 1320152 Gutimije supporting any needy student through Sakele Foundation. So Kongo missing our ngai goneji in studio. Stage gurin ngora sini ngolaji vijana ijeri jeget ago Agijereje tukul sige mutke kana tege tukul kibagenge.
Sasa thank you so much. Next time amutu.
Yes. Bring the youths. Tukuje tufanye show wote pamoja.
Yes.
Yeah. So Chitap Kalenzin eng studio go gimite Sakele Cheriot inende tukoba ishe Sakele Foundation ago tareti missing lago chotok chemuno go rik chimay mujige ago yego mnye engalek apsomanet. So ngimeje yegu part of that foundation ko imuji jenginendet asio mujo bagenge kungitinye lakwengu ame muji liban fees ako lakwet nengom komati mete lakwana tagote pinga much konyor taretet through Sakele ko enga satani machake to sing we betani ba nenet setai agere my crew wako ready, so it's about to go down. Bye.
Revisha ushinde. Open and save in your KCB Gold Savings Account for a chance to win many prizes. KCB, for people, for better.